Elmo. Hi, Paris. Hey, Gabrielle.
Hey, Mr. Allen. Can you guess what we're playing today?
Well, you are wearing special hats. You are looking through magnifying glasses. So these clues tell me that you are
Yeah.
playing detectives.
Yeah. Yeah. Excellent observation skills, Mr. Allen.
Why, thank you.
Observe what?
Observation means looking closely at something so you can learn about it, like a detective.
Oh, got it. We almost been having fun playing detectives. What can we observe next?
Oh.
Look at Alan's face. His eyes are wider and his mouth is open. He looks like he feels.
Surprise!
I am.
Oh, Mr. Allen, that gives me an idea. We can play feelings detectives.
Yeah, we can observe our bodies and faces and guess what feelings we're acting out.
Sometimes we show our inside feelings on the outside. They're clues, just like a detective might use.
Exactly. Well, that sounds super fun. Let's play. Oh, and here is a magnifying glass and hat for you, Mr. Allen. Good detectives always carry spares.
Thanks. Hey, Gabrielle, why don't you go first?
Oh, I can't wait. I know exactly what I want to do. Okay, here I go.
All right, I observe that you're smiling.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and Elmo can see that you're all wiggly. Yes. See any other clues?
Ooh, and I can see that you have a lot of energy. Those actions mean you're feeling excited.
You got it. That was easy for me to act up because I really was feeling excited. I love this game. Well, Gabrielle did great.
Yes.
Way to go, Gabrielle.
But you know, Elmo didn't know that one. But this game is fun.
It is. All right, who wants to go next?
I'll go. I've got a good one.
Oh.
I am ready.
This one's hard.
All right, you are standing tall. Your head is high.
Yep.
And you're smiling. Are you hopeful?
Close. I'll give you another clue. I feel like I know I can do something well. I'm feeling...
Confident.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you should feel confident. You are all great feelings detectives.
Elmo isn't so sure. Elmo couldn't guess at all. Elmo's feeling... Well, Elmo doesn't know what he's feeling.
Well, we are here with you, Elmo. All right, let's work together to try to figure out how Elmo's feeling.
Yeah, the feelings detectives are on it.
Your head and shoulders are down.
And you're sighing. Elmo, these clues make me think you're feeling disappointed.
Yeah, we feel disappointed when something doesn't happen the way we want it to.
Yeah. Elmo was feeling disappointed because he couldn't guess. Oh, but you showed us your feelings and helped us guess.
Yeah.
And by paying attention to our bodies, we're able to figure out how we're feeling.
Yeah, you're great at playing feelings detectives.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, thanks, everybody.
Good job, Elmo.
Yeah. All right, it's my turn. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Yeah.
Well, Ellen is smiling and dancing
Yeah.
and going ha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Oh, Elmo knows this one. Ellen is happy.
You got it, Elmo. Great job. And great job, everybody, playing feelings detective.
Yeah.
All right, one more. Ready? Show me proud. Ta-da! Are you proud?
Yeah.
Okay.